In this video, I will be sharing 4 quick and easy DIYs. This first one will be an old liquid soap bottle that I use. I looked online to try to find a pump so I can change from the white to the silver or gold, but looking at the prices, I was satisfied with staying with the white original pump that came with the soap bottle. I will also be showing you how I created what is coming up next, hurricane candle holder using 4 Dollar Tree picture frames, very small picture frames. I think they're like 3 by 5. I got them from the Dollar Tree. Also, I will be using an old wine jug. The jug that I'm using held wine. I also created my own beads to go around the neck of the jug. That is a different video, and I'll leave the link in the description box below. And then lastly, a vase, someone that actually threw out the vase, beautiful crystal vase. This one just has a long fluted neck. The one I have is very short, but it has the ball around it, and I just added a mirror on the bottom. So if you'd like to see how I recreated these 4 quick and easy DIYs projects, then just keep watching. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, JRC Restoration, Decor, and Designs. My name is Phyllis, and if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to thank you for stopping by and ask that you please consider subscribing by tapping the subscribe button. Click the bell and select all to be notified of all future videos that I upload. And to my faithful established viewers, thank you so much for your continued support in watching my videos. Here on my channel, I share DIYs, home decor, Goodwill thrift hauls, and more. Here is the old bottle that I used that held hand soap in it, and the labels are clear laminated labels that you can actually pull off. And then here are 2 other bottles that we still have, just waiting for those to get empty because I'm going to reuse those as well. This one has a different shape. All 3 of them have a different shape, but the bottle that I showed you at first is the one that I used. And I was trying to show you when I was pulling it, and here it is. I put dish liquid soap in there, and this is sitting in my daughter's kitchen. Okay, and now this is the hurricane candle holder that I am recreating using 4 Dollar Tree picture frames, and I'm gluing them together with this fix-all. I showed you here that I just glued one part. I'm getting ready to glue the other 2, and then I'll be showing you the bottom is going to be created using the back of an old picture frame. And again, I am gluing these together using the fix-all adhesive glue that also came from the Dollar Tree. Now the rubber band is to hold it together until it permanently fixes together, because I didn't have any glue gun for the glue sticks or any blue tape. So the rubber band is just holding it, and here you see me putting the glue around the edge. And this is from a back of a picture frame. That is going to be the part that I use on the bottom of the candle holder for a candle to put in. And the candle that I'll be using to put in there is also an LED plastic Dollar Tree candle light that I put inside the hurricane frame. And here it is completed. I love it, and it came out really nice. Now this is the 3rd quick and easy DIY. This is very, very simple. This is just an inspiration that I found on Pinterest. What really drew me was the little round part there in the middle. This vase someone actually discarded, threw it away. My daughter found it and gave it to me. If you can see the round part there, I just put a mirror on the bottom. I may later go and paint the ball gold, but I just put mirror because it reflects up through the glass and it is so pretty. I'm going to show you, I think, pictures coming up showing the inside of how the mirror just reflects to the top. I just like the way that looks. But again, this was free and thrown away. My daughter gave it to me, and all I did was add a Dollar Tree mirror at the bottom, and I put some flowers here, fake flowers from Family Dollar. And I just love the way it turned out. Very simple, quick, and easy. And lastly, my favorite one. This is a jug that held this wine, purchased from Publix. Here I'm showing you here that I'm scrubbing the label off. And it was not hard at all. Just some suds, dish detergent I put on there and some hot water. And I'm just scrubbing it off. And it's coming off very easily. There it is, all nice and clean. Looks just like what I saw on Pinterest. And it's sitting on also a tray that I created DIY. I'll leave the link to that, showing you here what Pinterest inspiration picture looks like. Again, I created my own beads. So the beads and the tray that all this stuff is sitting on, that's a different DIY. I'll leave the link to that in the description box below. But this is how I created a vignette around this jug, and I love the way it came out. 4 quick, easy, simple DIY projects from things that would have been discarded, or like I stated, that clear vase was discarded. Okay, coming up again to end the videos, just side by sides of the online inspirations and my dupes or duplicates creating from the inspiration. Here's an inspiration of the hurricane candle holder, and here is my creation of the hurricane candle holder. You see the vase there in the background. This is the online or the Pinterest inspiration and my creation. And then my favorite of them all, this jug with the beads. And here is my old wine jug with my beads that I created. Again, I'll leave a link in the description box. Thank you all for watching. Thank you so much for watching. JRC Restoration, Decor, and Designs. And remember, the distance between your dreams and reality is called action. So make it a blessed and productive day, everyone. And until next time, bye-bye.